In this example, we want to find the slope of our given graph. So to do this, we need to first find a place on the graph where our line intercepts our graph. So looking at the graph, the first spot I see is right here at our positive 1. And now we have to find a second spot where our line intersects our graph. Well, looking at our graph, we have two different spots. We have one up here, and then we also have another one down here. It doesn't matter what spot you pick, so let's start with our top and the left, with this spot. Now starting in our original position, we have to find our rise and our run to get to our second position. So starting here, we move up once, twice, and 3 times. So because we're moving up, we have a rise of positive 3. And now we have to find our run. So we move to the left once and twice. But because we move to the left, we're going to have a run of negative 2. Now that we know our rise and our run, let's plug this into our formula. We have our m equals our rise, which was positive 3, over our run, which was negative 2. So our slope is then going to be negative 3 over 2. Now let's do this same method, but using our different points. So again, we'll use this point, but then using a different color, let's use our point down here. So let's find our rise and our run to get to our second point. Well, instead of rising, we're going to go down. So that means we're going to have to be in the negatives. So we go down once, twice, and 3 times. So our rise is negative 3. And then our run is to the right once and twice. But because we're moving to the right, that's going to be positive 2. So again, using our formula, we have m equals our rise, which was negative 3, over our run, which was positive 2. So we get our slope to be negative 3 over 2, which is the same answer in both cases.